Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about new HODLer airdrops from Binance. So it's ERA or Caldera. I will show you the listing details, the token you will get, and how to subscribe the future airdrop. So first you can open your Binance apps, or you can also open it from web version on the desktop. But for now, I'm using Binance apps. And go to your search box here in the top. Then you can search launch pool. And you will find your launch pool on function. You can click it. And this is the launch pool page. As you can see, there is a new launch pool or new airdrop, ERA or Caldera. It will list in 12 hours from now. And as you can see, so this is the details. If you will get 1.15 ERA per BNB you hold. So let's see the details here in the view. You can click it, and this is the details. So basically, ERA is the 27th project on the HODLer Airdrops page, and you will get it if you subscribe your BNB to Simple Earn or on-chain yields products from 1st July until 5th July. So if you didn't subscribe, you will not get the airdrop, and it will list on 17th July. So if you wondering how to get next airdrop, it's simple. You just have to subscribe to Simple Earn. I will show you how. First, you can go to your home page again, and you can search Simple Earn. Search it, and you will find Simple Earn on function. You can click it, and then you can search BNB here, and you will find it. You can click it, and then you can choose the period flexible. So if you choose flexible, you can withdraw or redeem it anytime. If you choose the other, they will lock your BNB like this. Depends on the period time you choose. Let's say flexible, and you can put the amount like this. It's just for example, and you can just check this it, and you can subscribe. So after that, in the future, if Binance launch their new HODLer airdrop, you will get the airdrop. I think that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.